When I actually need to do some chipping, I want something that's got the power that's going to handle it. I was a little skeptical. This SDS Max is definitely taking care of that. It feels like the real deal, like it should have a cord on it, but it does not. I was blown away. Well, honestly, I've never used anything like it. I would have to say that SDS Max is nothing but heavy duty.